The toxic divorce back and forth between Hollywood stars Johnny Depp and Amber Heard continues, with the latest legal front shifting to Depp's reported lawsuit against his ex, seeking $50 million for allegedly defaming him with hoax allegations of domestic abuse. The Blast, Deadline, and People reported Depp filed the suit against Heard over an opinion column she published, but didn't say when or where, or in what court the suit was filed. Depp's lawyer, Adam Waldman of Washington, D.C., did not respond to emails from USA Today, but he and Depp, 55, have long vigorously denied allegations Depp ever abused Heard, asserting that she faked the abuse claims in 2016 and that Depp was the real victim in their dispute. First she abused him physically, then she abused his reputation, Waldman told USA Today in December. Heard's lawyer, Eric George of Los Angeles, told USA Today he had not yet seen the lawsuit, only the media reports about it. But he issued a statement condemning it as frivolous and vowed it would not stop Heard from speaking out further about domestic violence. This frivolous action is just the latest of Johnny Depp's repeated efforts to silence Amber Heard, George said in a statement emailed to USA Today. She will not be silenced. Mr. Depp's actions prove he is unable to accept the truth of his ongoing abusive behavior. But while he appears hell-bent on achieving self-destruction, we will prevail in defeating this groundless lawsuit and ending the continued vile harassment of my client by Mr. Depp and his legal team. In December, Heard, 32, who had accused Depp of beating her before their 2016 divorce was finalized, wrote an opinion column in The Washington Post lamenting the consequences she paid for speaking out about the need to curb domestic violence. 2 years ago, she wrote, "I became a public figure representing domestic abuse, and I felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out." She never mentioned the Pirates of the Caribbean star by name, but it was clear who and what she was talking about, according to Depp's lawsuit. Her column depends on the central premise that Ms. Heard was a domestic abuse victim and that Mr. Depp perpetrated domestic violence against her. These are false allegations, Depp's lawsuit argues, part of an elaborate hoax to generate positive publicity for Heard to advance her career. Ms. Heard is not a victim of domestic abuse. She is a perpetrator, the suit says. The Depp-Heard divorce, after less than 2 years of marriage, was one of Hollywood's most toxic in 2016. An ugly affair featuring allegations of physical abuse, restraining orders, media-mobbed court hearings, leaked texts and cell phone pictures of facial bruises, plus dueling lawyers and publicists.